Hello there, welcome back. Today I'll be teaching you how to do the card fanning, as well as snapping the card back to your hand in Godot 4.3. Also, this will be the last video of the 3-part series of deck builder tutorial, unless you want me to expand towards more complex stuff. Let's jump right into it. First, go to your card scene and change the pivot point to the middle of your card. This will make it so that it rotates from the center instead of the top left corner. Next, we're gonna remove this move card function in the draw card function. No need to worry though, you can still use this function anytime you want to move a card. You can also use this to move enemy or NPC's card. Then, we're gonna create this function called arrange card. There is quite a lot of stuff in this function, so let's break it down. Firstly, we have these 3 variables: the offset, the final position, and the final rotation. The offset is basically the width you want your hand to be. The final position and final rotation is, well, the final position and final rotation of your card in your hand. Then we create a loop that loops through all the cards in your hand. This is why we use Node2D as a hand, because by using the getChildren method, the Node2D becomes an array. And it's now easier to access each card in each iteration of the loop. Inside the loop, we've created this hand ratio variable. This is the ratio of the hand. 0.5 is the center, 0 is the left, and 1 is the right side of the hand. Then, we check if you have at least greater than 1 card in your hand. If so, then we're gonna set the hand ratio to the index of the card divided by the total amount of the card in hand, minus 1. To explain this, if you have to draw 3 cards, for example, the first card's index would be 0, divided by the total of cards, minus 1. So the first card's hand ratio is 0. The second card would be 0.5, and the third, you guess it, 1. To set the final position, we just multiply the hand ratio to the offset. So the first card, which has 0 hand ratio, will have position the X set to 0. To set the final rotation, we use the lerp angle method. We set it like this so that the angle of the card will depend on how many cards in the hand currently. Now, if the hand has only 1 card, then we'll manually set the position to position it in the middle of the hand, as well as setting the rotation to 0. We then create a simple tween to set the position of the card to its new final position. Same goes with the rotation. Also, if you notice, we did something with the duration of the tween. This made it so the card drawing speed gradually slows down as you draw a card. Let's try running it now. Now for the snapping the card back to your hand. We're gonna go back to our card scene script and add these 2 variables: the in-hand position and the in-hand rotation. This will store the final position and the final rotation of the cards that we set in the arrange card function. Then we just basically set the position and rotation of the card to the in-hand position and in-hand rotation whenever we let go of the card. I also set the rotation of the card to 0 whenever the card is being dragged. Lastly, we're gonna set these 2 variables inside the arrange card function. And with that, we're done. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching.